Hey guys, it's Vickie Kinner, independent Scentsy consultant, Scentsy director with Team Scented Style. And today I'm so excited because we are going to be unboxing the Witch-O-Lantern warmer. And I am so excited about this one. So if you like this video, please give it a like. And if you enjoy my content, please consider subscribing. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you know when I have posted something new. Comment below. Let me know what you think. All right, you guys, let's get into it. I'm so excited to open up the Witch-O-Lantern. Is that what they called it? Witch-O-Lantern warmer. And I've seen pictures of it. It's iridescent and it's stunning. So I am so excited to own this one. So let's go ahead and open her up. So here we go. She seems like she's going to be a pretty large warmer. And I'm here for it. Okay, so this should be the dish. So if you buy one, the dish will be inside of here. And it is a round, clear glass dish right there. And if you look on the inside, it'll have the number 4 right in here. That tells you the optimum number of cubes. However, I use 2 to 3 cubes, to be honest. I think 4 is a little excessive. All right, so here is the hat. Now, I have seen other people unbox this and they didn't know that those little tabs need to be pulled down. So when you get yours, pull those tabs down or the hat won't stay on. That's what holds the hat on. So you just pull them down. So I'm glad I saw their videos before I unboxed mine because they were like, they could not keep the hat on. So let's go ahead and open her up. She's gorgeous. Oh my gosh. Okay, so she is a 25 watt bulb warmer. So she's going to be nice and bright. All right. So let's go ahead and show you what she looks like. All right, so you can kind of see the iridescence in it right here. But once you turn her on, she looks spectacular, but she's already pretty. So let's go ahead. I think I'm going to plug her in first because I don't want to drop it. Okay, and then we'll go ahead and we'll screw in the bulb. Okay, I'm excited about this. Okay, it's in. All right, so now we're going to put the glass dish in. And we're going to put the hat on. Yeah, the hat sets perfectly once you put those little tabs down. All right, so 1, 2, and 3. That is just so stunning. Oh, that is so pretty. It gives me retro vibes. Do you guys see that? It gives me retro vibes. Like 60s, 50s, probably 60s. So pretty. Oh my gosh, that is so stinking pretty. Oh my gosh. So you can either have the hat or not have the hat. I'm here for the hat. I think the hat looks great. She is so pretty. So she's available right now as we speak in the Harvest Collection while supplies last. So that means go get her before she sells out because I think she's going to sell out pretty quickly. Anyway, I hope you like this video. Have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.